So we are here on page 116. So the first one here says to add mentally. What does that mean to add something mentally?
It is calculate in head.
All right. Yes, we calculate the answer in our heads. So if we were to calculate 504 plus 69, what's one way I could do this? I break it up into two parts maybe, right?
Mentally.
Yeah, I'll add it up mentally. But when I'm doing it in my mind, I think of this really as this is the way I would do it in my mind. I take 500 plus, and I know I kind of take 500 and then I add that together quickly. 500 plus, what's 69 plus 4?
69 plus 4 is 73.
And that's how I do it in my head. And where it says to write the method you have used, you should write just whatever you're kind of doing in your head. You could do it like this, 500 plus 73. If you take 500 plus 4 plus 69, that's another way you could do it. But I jump right to this step. And so what's the answer?
573.
Yes, exactly. So make sure you write 573 there. And then just write whatever you're doing, like whatever you think of when you do this, okay? So for B, does anyone have any tricks for solving 398 plus 37? What's your trick to doing this in your head or mentally?
400 plus I do 35.
Yes, that's the way I do it too. I think of this as 400 and then I take 2 away. So I think of this as 400 plus 35, right? And then the answer is 435. Okay, we're on to the next one, I believe. Okay. So here we go. The next one should be 7,269 plus 199.
What page?
This is page, let me zoom out here.
116.
Sorry, what was it?
116.
I'm like
116.
Yes, okay, so page 116, okay? Oh, there it is, page 116 there, all right? Okay, so let's do this next one here. So it says 7,269 plus 199.
Add 199 to 200 first.
Yeah, that's what I do. I'm going to think of this as 200. And then how do I do that then? If I kind of add one, I need to subtract one here. So this becomes 7,260 what?
8.
Yeah, sorry, it's not on the same line there, but that's kind of right. And then what will that answer be?
7,468.
Perfect. Okay. The next question then for part D says 1,897 plus 645. How would you guys do this? What do you think? What's a little shortcut we could do? Anyone have a plan?
Make 1,897 to 1,900.
Yes, that's what I would do. There's a few ways you could do this one. 1,900. Okay. And
3.
plus, and I need to
minus
then, yeah, so it's
645 minus 3.
Yeah, so what is that?
640, so 2.
Yeah. And then now it's a little bit easier. We still kind of have to calculate that. I would even go to the next step. I would say almost 2,000 for me. I kind of do it like that. Plus, then I make this what?
542.
That's how I would do it. You might do 2 steps like that in your mind. Okay. So then what's the answer is 2,000.
2,542.
You got it. All right, so we're doing great so far today, guys. Let's go to the next one. Here we go. It says 4,738 plus 2,298. Who's got an idea?
Make it can make 2.
What should I change it to on this one? 2,000 what?
2,298
Goes to what?
goes to 2,200 2,300.
Yes, and then if I added 2 from there, I need to subtract 2 from the 8, right? So this is 4,000. What?
736.
Yes, and I think it's easier now. What I do here, and I don't know what you do here, but this might be what my step is I take 4,000. This might not be the way to do it, but this is how I do it. I quickly take 4,000 plus 2,000, and then I will add the rest there, which is 1,036. That's how I do it in my mind. I don't know what you guys
I
do.
do like this too.
Yeah, so then it's 7,000. What is the answer?
7,636.
Okay.
7,000.
And make sure you guys are writing this part as well, because this is explaining what you're doing in your head. And if you have a different method, that's totally fine. Different minds work different ways. If you have a creative method, feel free to share. However you do these. Okay, so let's do the next one here.
Make 5,776 to 5,780.
You could do that. That's one way we could do it, right?
But I pass. I pass.
Yeah, might do that one first. Maybe we could bring that down to 2,000. You think that's a good idea? Or 2,100? Let's try that, right? Let's see what happens if we make this 2,100. What does this become then? What's the 5,000 become?
5,781.
5,700. Why did you add there?
Oh, 76.
You should we add or subtract? What do you guys think? Should we add or subtract, right? Why?
Add.
Yeah, we should add, right? So it is, you are correct. So 5,700 what?
81.
Yeah. Okay, because we subtracted 5, so we need to add it over here, right? Whereas above, I think we did the opposite, didn't we? Yeah, we added 5 up here. And then so we needed to subtract 5. Is that right? No, we did the other one. We added 3. And then so we need to subtract 3 on the other side. So this was plus 3, and that should be minus 3, right? So can you see how we're doing kind of the opposite there? But right here, we changed this to, we subtracted 5, made that 2,100. Now we've got this. I break this down further. I continue and I say, what do you guys say? Oops, I skipped a step.
7,881.
Yeah, so I basically think of this as 5,000 plus 2,000, and then I take plus, what, 7? Like I actually add those together now. I take that and make that 881. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah, and now it's easy. 5,000 plus 2,000 plus 881, and I get what?
7,881.
7,881. Okay, there we finished that one flawless, I would say.